Hi everyone, Celena Miller here. Today we are going to be touring the Bayfield model home here in Blackridge Bend. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bath. Enjoy the video. So we're going to start here in the foyer, coming in from the porch. You can see through to the kitchen. And our first stop will be right here on the left. This is going to be the master suite. This is a gorgeous master suite with accent ceilings, double windows, plenty of room for all of your furniture. We'll catch it on the way out. Now we're going to go into the master bedroom that has a soaking tub, glass surround shower, going back around to the entrance of the master bath. This is cabinet for storage and a double vanity with quartz countertop. And plenty of light. Here to the left is going to be the water closet. And then we're going into the large master closet with custom shelves. So this could easily be his or her closet. All right, we're going to go back out. Show you the bedroom from this angle. And we'll go back out into the foyer-way. Our first room right here on the right is going to be a second bedroom on the main level. This could also be your office, which is how they have it set up. Large walk-in closet. And then directly across is a full bath. Subway tile. Quartz countertop. Then we'll go back out into the foyer, which is going to take us to the laundry room here on the right. Which they have a copier in. And then here is our living area. Here on the right we have dining room table in front of a gorgeous double window, 14-foot ceilings. And then on the left is our living area. Gas fireplace, beautiful mantel, tall windows, a gorgeous crown molding, which overlooks the patio area. Now we're going into the kitchen. Kitchen also has quartz countertops, gas stove, oven, microwave, gorgeous appliances, complete with pantry and a farmhouse sink. This is the doorway that leads to the patio area. Okay, and exiting the kitchen, here on the left is the entryway to the garage, which we're not going in there. And now I'll show you the upstairs. So we have 2 bedrooms on the main level, and upstairs we have 3. So starting left to right, this is at the top of the stairs. We have a loft area. This is a multi-use room. This can be an office. This can be a playroom or entertainment for the kids. All right, first room to the left. Nice sized bedroom with 14-foot ceilings as well. Triple windows. And double door closet. Right outside of this bedroom is a full bath. Shower tub combo. Single sink. Then here we're going into the hallway, and to our right is another bedroom. Double door closet. Single window. These rooms are a very good size. Down the hall from that bedroom is a full bath as well. Tub shower combo. Double sink vanity. And then the third bedroom upstairs. Double windows, 14-foot ceilings, 2-door closet. And then I turn around and go back to the loft area. I hope you enjoyed the video. For more information or to reach me directly, click the link below.